When it's wartime shit, you know that we gon' suit up. Bro just said he tryna catch a vibe, he need the boot up. I just seen a nigga catch a body, but I ain't seen none. I don't give a fuck who he hang with, he want his crew touch. Your bitch, she like the way I smell, I think she want my semen. Bitch, I'm hard body, swear to God that I'm like semen. Got me running to the bank, no TLC, no creeping. I be up early counting why y'all be sleeping. That boy do not want no beef, it's like he is vegan. Y'all be straight hoes, I swear to God I be peeping, but ain't time though. Bro's just iced out his wrist, ain't telling time though. I ain't gon' hate, that's motivation for the grind, ho. It's my time, bro. Man on daddy, I was on the block posting like a flagpole. Backstreet the game, we don't run no flag for. Lost too many niggas, I'm young, shit, I be sad, so. And I gotta get it, man, I'm on the mission. Shit, I'm fly as fucking hot as fuck, that boy is sizzling. They done put me in the stool, they say that boy different. Turning 2 into a 4, I got magic powers. Free my dog, got the fed, they went from slinging flowers. I love my circle, we cut some off, we don't fuck with cowards. I told Twin, don't fuck with her, these bitches sour. Hitting it from the back, she scream, yeah, baby, like Austin Powers. She give me good brain, had to ask her, did she go to Howard? Play with my name, beach in the club, man, I'm Teezy Howard. We got good aim, talking snap again like I grew up in Broward. Man, I'm at the chicken talk right now, I hit you back in an hour. Man, my style be so on beat, they be like Manny Fresh. 2 red tips in the canic, lay these boys to rest. He a snitch, he ain't right, we put holes in the shit. Stand up guy, never talk, put his soul in the dish. Fuck the mother niggas dead, made him pussy rest in piss. Stewie was the first I seen ice out his wrist. Talking on the net, but you don't really told no blick. Backstreet for life and I ain't talking 50 cent. Hey, damn, I feel like Wally when I grip my 4-5. Bitch, I'm from the slums, we got a stitch and call them dicks. Bitch, I'm from the block, I tat the street up on my fist. I miss my dog so much, I tatted Mookie on my shit, let's get it. She give me good brain, had to ask her, did she go to Howard? We got good aim, talking snap again like I grew up in Broward. Babe, I'm at the chicken talk right now, I hit you back in an hour. I'm at the chicken talk right now, I hit you back in an hour.
When you little niggas hate, y'all get paid by the day, or is you hate niggas on salary or paid by the hour? I ain't had shit given to a young nigga, got it out the tower. Racking up the racks, trapping up the stripes, nigga, more money, more power. Ooh, let a nigga think I'm sweet and this shit gon' get sour. Know a few super grams, you tempt them, they get all that powder. When they get up on your ass, then I can't talk them out it. Can't keep them from spinning, can't keep them from sinning. I can't even see the score, but I can't keep from winning. Bad bitch want me in it, but I'm tryna handle business. I just pulled up to the coupe, I hit you in a minute.
She give me good brain, had to ask her, did she go to Howard? We got good aim, talking snap again like I grew up in Broward. Babe, I'm at the chicken talk right now, I hit you back in an hour. I'm at the chicken talk right now.